This video will explain how to add user codes to the Micro IQ lock in station mode. The Micro IQ lock can be controlled by up to 3 different keypad codes. The first level of access is a master code. The lock comes pre-programmed to a factory master code of 135243. For the second level of access, there is a supervisor code, which comes pre-programmed to 123. The third level of access is a user code, which can be 3 to 6 digits long. Note, when programming in your key codes, the master code must be 6 digits and the supervisor code can be 3 to 6 digits long. The numbers 6, 7, 8, and 9 can be entered by pressing 2 keys simultaneously in order to produce a sum. For example, 1 and 5 can be pressed simultaneously to produce the number 6. Note, if the code was programmed using 1 and 5 as the number 6, the same combination must be used when accessing the lock, because other combinations that equal 6, such as 2 and 4, are distinguished from 1 and 5. The administrator of the lock should reprogram the factory code to a new, unique 6-digit master code. To do this, press the program button 5 times. Once the green and red LEDs are lit, enter the factory code 2 times. Next, enter the new 6-digit master code twice. When entering the new code, the green LED will flash with each digit entered. When the new master code is correctly entered twice, the LEDs will flash sequentially for 3 seconds. Remember to store a record of your master code number in a secure location. The supervisor code is the primary code used to access the lock. The supervisor code can be 3 to 6 digits in length. You can easily change the supervisor code using the factory supervisor code. Simply press the program button followed by 1, 2, 3. Then enter your desired supervisor code, in this example 3, 2, 1, and press the program button. You can also use the master code to add or change the supervisor code. Simply press and release the program button 1 time, and while the green LED is lit, enter the master code. When the red LED is lit, enter your supervisor code and press the program button. The green LED will flash, indicating that the new code has been stored. Now that the supervisor code is programmed, the unit is ready for day-to-day operation. The supervisor can add 1 additional user code to the lock. The user code can be 3 to 6 digits in length. To add a user code, press and release the program button 2 times, followed by the supervisor code. When the yellow LED is lit, enter the desired user code, and then press the lock program button. When the new code is entered and stored, the green LED will flash for 3 seconds. To remove the user code, you will need the supervisor code. Press and release the lock program button 2 times, enter the supervisor code, enter 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and press the program button again.